Hi everyone, and welcome to my membership video. I now have memberships. I've only just started, so I'm sure that things will change over time as I get better at it, because it's a bit of a minefield when you first start. So there's 3 levels. There will be, as a member, you will see my videos first before anybody else. There will be member only videos and shorts. There will be help sheets for members only. There will be giveaways, and I'm thinking the giveaways will be at level 3, maybe level 2. I haven't quite worked that out yet, so that will happen. I have got a whole range of things that you guys have not seen me do as yet, like polishing stones, wire wrapping. The story is just going to go on and on. So I want to do make some resin, different pieces, then wire wrap them. I want to make different types of jewellery. So there's a whole lot going on that other people are not going to see, because this is for members only. Now there will be, some of this will be uploaded for the public, and sometimes some of the videos will go to members first and then be uploaded to the public. Just getting my head around it. The cheat sheets will be really important. They've been very successful in the past, and they will be for members only. And I've now got super things as well, where you can shout me coffee. I'm a real coffee drinker, so I'll be happy with that. But all proceeds will go back to my videos. So, and different equipment that I need. So, and I have a real shopping frenzy thing happening. Because you know how you just go in for one item, 10 items later, and $200. That's not a good day. So I'm going to stop buying things because my shelves are chock-a-block full. So I'll just move the camera slightly so you can just see a few of the boxes that I have over there. And that is just a minor little drop compared to the rest of it. So hopefully I'd like to see you as a member. Thumbs up, and thank you for listening. Talk to you later. Bye.